As you can tell, I just got out of school online. I have 2 pairs of Levi's jeans. They both used to be my brother's. They fit me, and like, you don't throw out Levi's jeans, especially if they fit, and you're getting them for free. They're both really boring. Okay, we're gonna start with the easier one. There's nothing wrong with these. I'm going to do
embroidery.
I'm literally using this, and I want to do flames on one back pocket, and then I want to do a little lightning bolt on the like diagonal front pocket. I want to do this in more of a vlog style. Okay, I need the ring light. This lighting's horrible. I'm doing flames on this pocket. I think the camera's on the wrong side. Now my hand won't be covering it. I'm going to be drawing, yeah, just so I have something to trace. My front pocket, which I want to have a little lightning bolt on, or maybe I'll do a lightning bolt here and then one here. Yeah, my talking in that was annoying me, so Hugh montaged me tracing the lines for the embroidery. I'm gonna do the lightning bolts tomorrow or whenever I do this. This video isn't actually supposed to be up for like a couple of weeks. So now I have to do the same thing to the lightning bolts that I drew on the front. And then I'm debating whether or not I want to cut off the very end of the legs, but I decided against that, I think, because I kind of like the oversized look. The top is really the only part that changed. So the lightning bolts embroidered, flame pocket. That was the first, I wouldn't call it a flip. This is my first little upcycle, I guess, and we're gonna go. This lighting is not good. I apologize, but not really. So the other pair of jeans that I'm gonna be giving a little makeover to, but not really makeover. Well, these are actually probably going to be a bigger difference than the other pair. These have a two giant holes. We're going to have to patch those up. But I had this idea to do big patches like across the front and back. And if I have the patches, then it'll have something to cover up the scars of these rips after I repair them. I picked out the fabric that I want to use for the patches. I have this old pillowcase. This is also nice, strong material so that I can use this for both the patches and repairing the denim. I have a boring black and gray one. These are these newspaper leggings that I used to wear. I'm going to start repairing this. I found a tutorial on how to do it. The first thing that I'm supposed to do is to cut off the excess strings. Use a strong piece of fabric to just put behind it and sew just to reinforce it. And then after I do that, I'll be sewing this together. I think they're definitely supposed to be not as visible as this, but I didn't really do as much cleaning up because I'm planning on covering them up with patches anyways. I have to do the patches, so I'm gonna have to measure out the squares and then decide where I want to place them. I'm still deciding if I want to use fabric glue, which would be easier, or sew them on. I think I'll ask my mom because she said do both, do like a tiny bit of fabric glue, and then once everything is in place, then I can go in and maybe do a few stitches either for decoration or just to reinforce it, because if I had a lot of fabric glue, some of the patches are a thin enough fabric or it would bleed through. I just took off the books, and it is kind of annoying, the fabric glue. I put too much here, I guess. Pepper, I love you, but you can't be here right now. You can't have the thread.
I did that to the rest of the patches too, but I don't think anybody wants to see the rest, so here's the try on. Yeah.
I think they look really cool. I added stitching along the edge.
These are so awesome.
Yeah, don't mind my current outfit, but I feel like I did a horrible job at showing those, so I'm not going to be trying them on. But we got this newspaper that took a while, actually, to cut that. And then I have these. I like the way the knee bends, and then there's, like, one of these on each side, because symmetry. And then this slightly bothers me that it doesn't touch, but I also did that to myself, because I was purposely like, it's not going to touch. This newspaper, and that's, like, my favorite patch on there. Then we got these, which look kind of weird, but they're to cover up the rips. And then we have this, which is like back of my leg, I guess. And then that little dude just there. So, yeah.
Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell.